Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to install WhatsApp on Nothing Phone 3. Let's begin. Luckily, it's incredibly simple. All you want to do is head into your Play Store, type in the search WhatsApp. As you can see, we even have a nice way to suggest ourselves. And now all you want to do is simply hit install. And after a few moments, of course it does depend on your Wi-Fi, our WhatsApp should be installed and ready to use. As you can see, now we can simply hit open and we can use our application. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.